As of the end of May this year, we've only managed to bring 2 million visitors to Jamaica. And that is the first time in the history of Jamaica that within the first 5 months of the year, we've brought 2 million visitors to Jamaica.
The United States is consistently Jamaica's #1 tourism market, with over 2.6 million visitors from across the United States making their destination of choice year after year. This year so far, we have grown the United States market by 20.1%.
We only earn a little over 1.7 billion US dollars. We've managed to increase retention from 30 cents to 40.8. This represents for us the new drive that Jamaica is now involved in. Not just about bringing numbers, but also to add value to the experience of the visitors who come here. We are moving very seriously about retaining more of the Jamaican dollar and the US dollar in particular in Jamaica. When the supplies that the tourism consumes are brought and bought and produced by the Jamaicans, then the dollar remains here. We are in line with the projections that we've made to earn $5 billion from tourism within the period that we've indicated. We can say categorically that there is more than $1 billion US dollars in circulation across Jamaica coming directly from tourism. And the impact of this is seen in the growth of the small and medium enterprises across Jamaica. Last year, 2018, at the end of December, we completed 4.31 million visitors for that period. That, of course, represents the second year in a row that Jamaica has had 4.3 plus million visitors in a single year.